Welcome back to another Mission for Fishing episode. I know it's been a while, probably wondering where I've been at. And honestly, just been real busy, been working a lot. And today I just decided to come fishing, pick up the camera. Got my boy Henry Outdoors with me today, as you guys know. But we're just gonna get out here on the water, try to catch some fish and have some fun. Is that a fish? Yes, it is, guys. Yes, it is. Oh, gosh. Oh, well, that's what we call a quick release. Ain't got to do anything. That counted, by the way. Got into the bank. You guys saw that? That is what we call a quick release. And all I'm doing here, guys, is running my Senko Texas rig weightless. And as you can see, I'm on my second fish, and that already happened. Oh well, we'll keep going with it and make it last as long as we can. Fish on, guys. He's running with that sucker. Got him. Got him. Got doubles. Man, my boy Henry Outdoors got doubles. Ah, he lost it. Still got mine on. Oh, wow. This is probably the biggest bass I've caught out here in a while. And that ain't big, so I guess that tells you a lot. It's fun catching these guys, though. Sometimes quantity over quality is what I say. Still have a good time, so that's really all that matters, honestly. I ain't out to catch no monster today, but if I did, that'd be pretty cool. Definitely some good content for a first video back. But no matter what, I think this is gonna be a good video. Oh my God. I was reeling it across the top of the water and one just hit it right at the bank. I don't know if you guys seen that, but I know you had to heard that little. That was crazy. Oh, he's still there. He's still there. That was crazy too. He might be gone now. Let me see. I didn't think he'd still be there. Come on. There he is, there he is, there he is. There he is, there he is. Oh yes, that's how you do it right there, guys. I know I'm being pretty quiet, just fishing right now. I ain't had much time to do it recently, so just kind of enjoying it. But I think it's safe to say we can put this Senko out of commission. I'm gonna go grab another one and then kind of work my way around the pond a little bit. Try to go all the way around. That's usually where most fish are. That's one thing I love about this pond. You can kind of walk around the whole pond and just fish every single place you go to. So it's a good pond. A lot of the fish are small, as y'all can tell, not even a pound, but it's still fun to come out here and enjoy it and get out of the house when you can. About knocked the camera out of my hand. There we go. It's like number 4, same spot. Have not moved. A little bigger, not really. Looks like he could use a few meals or two. There go another one. I'm telling you, they are. I don't know what it is about this side. They're stacked over here. Wind's blowing right to this corner. That's like 3 back to back. Try to make this sink last as long as I can. It's going through it. Got one on. Got one. There he is. A little dink. Oh my gosh. This is a baby. Freaking baby bass. I'll take it though. Go back and get bigger, buddy. Right now I'm over here working this corner where the wind is being blown to, and there's some bass stacked up in here. So I'm gonna keep working it for a little bit before I move. I was in the middle of fishing, catching a bunch of fish, and my chest mount broke. So that's just great. Another problem, whatever. Probably not gonna film too much more now. Obviously, kind of shaky right now. Gonna have to definitely go get another chest mount soon. But I'm gonna try to film some more of what I can, and I'll pick you guys up at the end of the video. Look at those pants. Oh my God.
Dude, see, you doing this again.
Is that Mr. Fat?
Come on, delete it.
Is that Mr. Fat Man? Henry Outdoors right there, baby. Link in the description. Go ahead and get that man subscribe and donate to his foundation to help build pants. We are out here trying to catch some fish. My chest mount broke, so can't really film anything on the chest, so trying to find something else to film. I done caught a bunch of fish. I really don't want to fish anymore. But God. What? Oh man, go ahead. Ooh, big man, big man on campus. Yes, sir. Nice little dink, because they're all dinks. Ain't a freaking fish in this pond over a pound. All right, guys, let's go end today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. I tried to come out and film and do the best I could. I know I broke my chest mount, couldn't film as much. Caught a good bit of fish. Had a good time. So just drop a like for me. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next episode.